thank you very much. At syempre, ang aking darling, Sen, thank you very much, Beb. Salamat. At
Thank you, Aisa.
sa inyo pong lahat na hanggang ngayon nakikinig pa rin, maraming pong salamat. At yan, available po yung album at may show po kami sa April 24. See you po manood sa Metro Bar.
Alright, great.
Sa inyo mula, and of course, God, this is for you. Sana natutuwa ka kahit at salamat po.
He welcomes you with open arms as we do you, Dean. Thank you so much. Great job, Star Records. Coming back for more surprises here ASAP. Platinum in Asia. Aisa Segura.
Gaano mo kakilala ang lansanang iyong binabagtag? Ano-ano ba ang pagkakas mo na bawat isa yung masyadong paglalakado? Baka sinakasyon ka rin. Absor ang sa pagbibigay liwanag sa pinagpagugatan. Tuloy na nagaganap sa kalye, mga kwento ng lansangan. Baby Abigail puts on her crown for a trip to the princess. Kasama ang buong pamilya, she gets royal treatment as a Disneyland. All smiles for an all-day fun. Siguradong babalik na rin ang good pictures ang masaya ito when she grows up.
Well, I want to thank Essential Stonian Guy, Refill, Dr. Vivian Sanapia, Lee Cheese, Carrera Eyewear, Philosophy, and on May 9, I'm going to be in Guam at the University of Guam Field House for a concert called Live at 25 with Jericho Rosales, Rachel Ango, Paulo, and Gabriel Valenciano. All right, I have the honor of standing here with three lovely ladies. Oh, Leia, the local artist.
Hello everyone, and thanks Asa for inviting me. Now I'm going to do this quickly. I have shows in the United States, so all of the viewers of TFC, please note these down. May 1st at the University of Las Vegas in Las Vegas. May 4th at the Snoqualmie Casino in Washington. May 24th at the Silver Legacy Casino in Reno. And on May 30 at the Aratani Theater in Los Angeles, conducted by David Benoit. So I hope you're able to watch it.
Carmen.
Hey Carmen, congratulations. Thank you, Ate. Nag-ano ko talaga si Carmen. Congratulations.